A lot of times we've heard pitching coaches say downhill, try and get a downhill plane, stay on top of the ball. But today we're going to go over a drill that can help you succeed with that. So one thing that I like to do when I'm playing catch with a lesson is once we get out to about 90 feet, 70, 80, somewhere in that range, and they're getting ready to start working in, what I do is I squat down as a catcher. So right now we have the red guy over there, just to give you an idea of distance. So what I tell my kid is, I want you to try and throw this pitch like you're on the mound. So I squat down in the catcher's position, he gets his feet moving, and he has to work downhill. If he doesn't work downhill, everything's going to take off. Usually a dead giveaway that a kid doesn't have good downhill playing is when you start to see his elbow drop right here. So the drill that we like to do, what I call is the crow hop and pull down. So I'll have a catcher sit over there where the red man was, and I'll have the kid crow hop and ultimately get on top of that baseball so that he can feel his elbow above his shoulder and his fingers on top of that ball. Like I said, occasionally, usually the first couple throws, he's probably going to be high because his elbow is going to be down. So really preach that he needs to stay back to the rubber like we've talked about in other videos and get on top of that baseball. Also, once they get on the mound, now that there's a decline involved, kids seem to drop their elbow again, which is all right. What I like to do when something like that happens is I'll pull them right off the mound and I'll roll them a couple ground balls as if they were an outfielder. What do we do as an outfielder? We go, we pick it up, we take a big crow hop, boom, we're on top of the ball. So if we can help that kid stay in that athletic ability and feel like it's not so mechanical on the mound, he's going to have a better chance at having better command down the road.